Look at Dooley Wayne before I turned them pink.
Doughbeezy's career after Doughbeezy put his nose where it did not belong. After attempting to expose Sauce Walka's fans pictures, which is weird, meaning you have to have bought a subscription, Sauce Walka then in turn exposes Doughbeezy for having his truck repoed. Not just exposes a nigga for getting his shit repoed. I know a lot of y'all watching this and had y'all shit repoed too. But this went and bought this truck and then got on Instagram and said, we gonna have $1,000 fashion contest. Everybody put y'all best fit on and come to my club and we gonna all take pictures next to Doughbeezy truck. Since then, Doughbeezy has went into hiding. And I'm not gonna lie, he was trying to hate on me about my Bun B food review. So guess what? This is another instance. You should mind your business. So for y'all that don't know, this nigga Sauce Walka has completely evaporated Doughbeezy's career after Doughbeezy put his nose where it did not belong.
Now we're gonna walk outside, Instagram Live, and we finna see what's in my backyard.
Watching this and had y'all shit repoed too. But this nigga went and bought this nigga.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Hey man, say man. Sometimes you just gotta know when to pick your battles. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you just gotta know when you can't with somebody, man. You gotta know when a nigga a Grand Theft Auto character, man. When a nigga Grand Theft Auto, man, you can't with a nigga, man. You gotta leave a nigga alone, blood. Yeah, I left that boy shit red, so I want him to always remember. You know what I'm saying? I want everybody to always remember. Yeah, this that boy truck. You think I couldn't have changed this shit? Like I got all the dope jams, I did it on purpose. I want this boy to know. I ain't hauling shit with your truck. I don't want to make no. I see. You see, I done that one right. You know what I'm saying? This the picture side. This is where we take pictures. The picture side got to be correct. Edges red, and I'm finna do the interior red. Trying to collab. Who is that? We got a bit of South Palace, babe. Real player, man. I can't step all the way in, y'all, because the reception gonna fuck up. But you catch the drift. My garage still fucked up for my daughter's birthday party and shit. I gotta fix all this shit up for being a good dad. But yeah, man, real rich shit, man. Real boss shit, man. No Airbnb, nigga. I need to water my again. I'm just saying though. Before Twitch. I'm just saying. Ace time. I'm just saying. And I ain't done.